Drivers in Atlanta, listen up. A new law is in effect to keep bicyclists safe from passing cars. The state modified its current law to add protections to those riding their bikes down the streets of Atlanta. Decatur-based attorney Bruce Hagan is here to break it down for us. Bruce, thank you so much for being with us today. How are you?
I'm doing great, and thank you for having me, and thank you for helping to spread the news about this very important change in the law that's going to save a lot of people, some from really painful injuries and horrible, terrifying encounters with cars. So I appreciate you spreading the word.
Yeah, absolutely. And before we get to that law, I just want to, get a good perspective. I know you're an avid biker and you were involved in getting this law changed. Can you just describe what it's like to be out there for bicyclists? Is it a scary experience at times?
At times it can be. I mean, for the most part, drivers are very respectful of bicyclists being on the road, but there are some folks who are either inattentive or just uncaring. And the reality is that so many drivers are distracted by the many things going on, whether it's their cell phones or just things happening in the car, even just having a conversation. If you're talking on the phone to somebody, statistically, you are as impaired in your reaction time as somebody who's a drunk driver. So there are just plenty of folks who aren't attentive enough to what's happening around them. They're really only driving thinking about other cars, and they're not thinking about people who are vulnerable because they're outside of a car, such as a bicyclist or pedestrian. It can be terrifying to be on the road and have somebody pass by you very closely, whether it's just due to inattentiveness or maliciousness. The other problem we have here is that everybody seems to be on edge for all kinds of reasons. And so, somebody who gets held up 10 seconds off their schedule can be out for blood. And there are some vengeful folks out there. Folks just have to have some basic consideration, respect the fact that bicyclists, just like anybody else, has a right to be on the road and have a right to be in the lane on the road. And when you're driving, just be mindful of that and drive accordingly.
Bruce, I don't have too much time with you, a couple more minutes, so I do want to get down into the new law, and I want to break it down. So if I'm a driver trying to pass someone on a bike, the new law requires the driver to change lanes, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Under the modified version of the law, if there's a lane where you can change lanes safely and are allowed to do so, then you're required to change lanes when you're passing the person on the bicycle.
Now, what if you can't change lanes? What are drivers supposed to do in that case?
Then the law says, number one, to slow down. And as you're passing that bicycle, to leave at least 3 feet when you're passing that person. So that's not a change in the law, the fact that you're supposed to leave 3 feet. That law has been on the books for several years. But it is saying that now you're required to both slow down when you're passing, and also just recognize that if you have to cross a double yellow line or a solid line to make the pass, you can do that. In fact, you've always been allowed to do that as long as it can be done safely. If there's a lane next to you where you can safely change lanes, you're required to do so when passing a cyclist. If there is no lane or you can't safely change lanes, then slow down, be patient, and when it is safe for you to pass somebody, you have to leave at least 3 feet. It's really pretty basic. The motivation for this law was that it was, under the old law, it was very hard for police officers to enforce the law, and it was unclear to them whether a car could cross a double yellow line in order to leave a safe group or distance. Now it's very easy to enforce this law. There's a $250 fine for every violation here, and it will be the sort of thing that police can routinely enforce, just like every other ticket, to make the roads safer for everybody who's out.
Bruce, thank you so much. And I know there's a lot more to the law, and we'll be able to go to your website and also ours to find out more. So thank you again for breaking it all down for us, and we hope you have an awesome day.
Thank you, and drive safely and look out for bikes.
Absolutely. Thanks again. And for more information on this new modified portion of the law, you can visit our website, Fox 5 Atlanta. Click the Scene on TV tab.